Hey, hey students, I'm in our class, and some of you keep saying I've submitted your the assignment with the journal, but you counted it wrong. So I just wanted to take you through that once you create all the documents that you and I have discussed, that you need to go into this particular point. Hold on for a minute. Let me get to the right week. I'm going to take you to week 2. And for the first assignment, your personal link goes right here. So I click on this button and it allows me to submit. Now, there was a video in there about creating a hyperlink. Please watch it. But I would submit right here, write submission, and I'm going to post my um, hyperlink. And remember, I just do Control V, then I hit the link, then I do that, then I hit submit, and that's what puts it in the system for a grade. Otherwise, you're not going to get a grade. I hope that clears things up. Thanks. And again, you'll do that for every other one.